Oh my goodness, my babies are grown.
What's happening here?
I'm growing plants in water.
In water? Oh, I know a new video. Hi, my name is Zawadi.
Hi, my name is Amani.
Welcome to Gardenology Kids Club.
Today we're talking about my plants. Did you know you can actually grow plants in water? But the purpose of growing plants in water is to propagate.
How do you maintain them?
I change the water twice a week.
Do you want to hear a joke? Sure. How do trees get on the internet?
How?
They log in on
What she's trying to say is, in Gardenology Kids Club, we teach you how to grow plants.
like plants in pots, plants in water, how to maintain them. Yes.
Please subscribe
Turn on the notification bell.
and like this video. We post a video every week.
Thank you.
Bye.